How to enable two-factor authentication on the BYDFi application. To enable two-factor authentication on BYDFi, open the application and log in into your account. As soon as you get logged in, tap on your profile icon or go to settings. Then tap on Security Center and select Google Authenticator or 2FA. Download Google Authenticator app from the Play Store if you haven't already. Now tap Blind in BYDFi and it will show you a QR code or a setup key. Open the Google Authenticator app and tap plus and choose Scan QR code or enter a setup key. After linking your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Go back to BYDFi, enter that code and tap confirm. 2FA will be now active, adding an extra layer of protection into your account. And if you are not sure how to complete any of the steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you can enable 2FA on BYDFi. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.